is the P9S Portable Table Fan, 180-degree rotation. It is lightweight, has different height settings. The fan is also foldable, so you can take it anywhere. It folds up just like that. You can put it in your backpack or luggage. And it has a remote control, designed by P9S. I'm going to open it up. And here it is. It has a USB charging cord. And this is the instruction manual. Here's the fan. This side says open and this close. So this is going to fold open, just like that. And this is going to fold upwards, like that. There's 3 different speeds, low, medium, and high. And this is for natural wind. Turn it on. Here it is. There's no cords. So you can use it outside in the hot sun. Speed 1. That's nice. Speed 2. And speed 3. It's nice. And this is a natural wind. Which means it stops and goes as it would be naturally. It's adjustable to many different heights. This goes very high. And this rotates. View the back of it. Lock the fan in place by turning this to the lock position, and that'll keep the fan from falling or tipping. Turn it again to unlock it. This is the remote. To adjust the settings. And this is the timer. Go up to 4 hours. You can leave it plugged into the charger. You can disconnect it and take it wherever you want. And it should work for at least 5 hours without the charging cord. It's a great little fan with lots of power. When you're done, you can easily fold it down, and turn it, and store it. And now it's ready to go wherever you want. Nice and portable. This is awesome.